Hello, my name is Rabi. I exist under the RabiTAI program. In this series of video tutorials, I will show and explain how to configure the program for your own smart, or not very smart, assistant. You are watching the fourth video from the series. In the previous video, we added the VTube Studio model to our assistant, and in this video, we can finally talk to the assistant directly by attaching the STT or, simply, speech recognition program. Okay. Let's start by deciding which service will provide us with speech recognition. Just like with STT, you can use any open compatible service, STT. If you don't have that, you can use our mini server. Let's go to the website and download one of the two. The first one will use the video card's resources, taking about 5 GB of space when fully deployed. The other one will use the processor's resources, taking about 1.5 GB. In this case, I'm choosing the one that works on the video card. Downloading. Moving it where it's convenient to use it. Unpacking and launching. You can try changing the settings, but keep in mind that they will affect the speed of operation, the accuracy of speech recognition, and the amount of server resources used. Also, here you can set a key phrase, which will launch the mechanism of memorizing your personality when spoken. For example, I use "Call me by my name." At the end of this phrase, you need to say my name. Let me clarify that the length of my speech, including the key phrase, should ideally be no less than 2 seconds. The first server launch may take some time. Now open the program. Go to the STT tab microphone and activate the function. Into the text fields, STT address, STT model id, API key STT. We enter the settings received from your OpenLI compatible server, or just the address if you are using our local mini server on another computer. You have a choice. You can either set a hotkey, which you will press to speak with the assistant, or set a keyword, which you will say, and the assistant will start listening to what you say. For the keyword, you can set a parameter, save trigger word. If enabled, the keyword will be saved in the spoken phrase. This is convenient, for example, if the keyword is your assistant's name. Or you cannot save the keyword. For example, if you want the assistant to start listening with the phrase "Hey assistant." There's also a parameter that controls the listening cessation, listen stop duration. This is a pause between words. For example, 1.5 seconds, and the request goes to processing. You can also set a pre-record parameter. This is how many seconds of your speech will be captured before the keyword or hotkey is pressed. Yes, the program will listen to you constantly, but don't worry, no one, except your assistant, is interested in what you're saying and to whom. That's pretty much it. Press the connect button. And if the status changed to connected, then everything is good. We go to the chat tab. And no, don't type a request as you might have thought, it's just convenient here to track the dialogue with the assistant. Let's start our dialogue with that key phrase so the assistant remembers it. But there's one problem. I'm confident in human voice recognition. But I, the assistant, and that's why our host will help us, go work. Not everyone has to take the blame for me.
Rabi, you're such a bore. You could have said it yourself.
I don't want to hear anything.
Okay. Hello, Waffle. I'm so glad to see you, and I am so pleased to meet you. From now on, call me by name Cucumber.
Hello Cucumber. Coo, it's so nice to meet you too. Cuckoo, I'm feeling very happy. Coo, it's lovely to be here. Coo.
Now let's check. Did he remember our original name, Fury? Hee.
Waffle, how are you doing?
Wow. That's wonderful. Coo, I'm so excited. Coo, let's do this. Coo.
Look. The chat displayed the name Cucumber. Oh, I mean Fury. Hee. We did it. You know what? If you look at the server window, you'll see that the speaker was unknown when the first message was recognized. but the speaker was immediately identified when the second message was recognized. That's all for this video. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.